Hello students, in this video we are going to study about form creation, which is on lesson number 5, database concepts using LibreOffice. So we have already studied that how we are going to create a database. After that, how are we going to create a table and to edit a table or to delete the records of the table. After that, we have also studied about a query. All the videos regarding these topics I have already uploaded. Now the next thing after the query is to create a form. So what is a form? Anything which can accept a data from the user is your form. Okay, so for form creation, it is an object which allows entering the data, editing of the data or deleting the existing data in the table. So we all know that we can edit the data, we can delete and we can enter the data with the help of form. It consists of format styles and winglets like radio button, list boxes, and provides easy and systematic way to insert records in the table form and is used to collect the data from the user. We have already studied about how to create a forms in last year's HTML chapter, that is web designing and impressive web designing, and even in this year we have studied about CSS and designing of forms. So we already know that we have text boxes, text area, radio buttons, check boxes. So such type of forms are used to take the entry or to collect the data from the user. Now let us go with the practical part, that is how to create a form. First of all, we just have to go in the form. After that, you have to click on Use Wizard to create a form. After clicking on that, a new window is going to open. So in the window you can see here, you have the first drop-down list regarding tables or queries. Just click on any of the table, that is table EMP or table product. So table EMP is the table which I'll be selecting. So if you want to select some specific field, you can go by 1 to 1. If you want to select all at a time, you can go directly by the double arrows. After that, you just have to click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, a new window will be displayed like set up a subform. So you don't require to add any subform here. So just click on the next button. So basically a subform is what? A form within a form. So that we don't require currently. So we are going to go to the next section. Here you have the arrangement. Okay. So here you can see the way you want to arrange your data. So I'll just scroll the screen here so you can, it is visible to you. So if you click on this, this is how the data will be arranged. Then like that. So the tabular manner. Then this is the way in which your form will be displayed. So any of the style you can choose. I've chosen the columnar label left. So after clicking on arrange controls, click on next. You can also give the you can also go back and see the alignments, whether you want it right, whether you want it left. Okay, as per your requirement you can give the alignments. Click on next. Then after that, set data entry. So you have to give the same option as checked, that is the form is to be displayed all data. Then click on next. After clicking on next, you have various types of background colors like bright blue, light gray, dark, orange, ice blue. Okay, so these are different types of colors which you can see here. So I'll choose this color. You can give a border to your box. You can see now the border is gone. Okay, and if you want to give, you can 3D look or you can give a flat look. So this is how you can change the style of your form, and then click on next. After clicking on next, you can give the name to your form like employee. Okay, so this is the name which I have given to the form. So this is the step. How do you want to proceed after creating a form? Work with the form, modify the form. Okay, so work with the form or modify the form, any of these options you can select and you can click on finish. Okay, so after clicking on finish, you can see here the entry which is present inside your table. That entry is displayed here by default. Okay, so here are some of the different controls which you can use. You can print your form. You can export it directly as an PDF form. Okay, so toggle from wizards. So here you have a new record, so you can also add a new record in it. Okay, now here if I add the new record like Sheetal, then the address is Pune, and the contact number is something, and the employee number is 1 okay. So like that you can add a new record and you can save the new record. Okay, so this response will be saved in the database. Okay, so this is how you can create various types of tables, and you can design a form for it, and along with these forms you can also see that the entries whichever you are doing inside the form, those entries are saved inside the table. Okay, so this is all about the form. This is how you design the form. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.